hit the bell icon to enable notifications for my new videos. Have you ever dreamed of flying above the cities like a bird? Yes, you heard it correctly. Let's know how. If you want to explore the nature in your city, then get ready to take your first paramotor flight. Yes, that's true. Flyboy Air Safari in Gurgaon can get you this experience through an exciting parameter flight trip. You can fly under the experienced pilots who are all geared to show you a very unique and thrilling way to enjoy the spectacular aerial sights. They guarantee these flights are going to blow your mind away. You can choose the duration and the types of flights as per your wish. This is a 8 to 20 minutes activity depending upon which package you choose. So, don't sit and watch movies only during the weekend. Visit Flyboy Air Safari in Gurgaon and indulge in an exciting air safari that can fulfill your desire to fly like a bird in the blue sky. If you enjoyed this video, then please like it, share with friends, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.